Hello friends, my name is Namya. I am studying in grade 3rd. I have made in our summer camp. I have made this dog boat in our RoboFun lab in Ahmedabad. It works with the help of battery power function, motor, gear, cams, pulleys, and other parts. When I turn out the task of dogbot is when I turn off the battery power function, the motor will rotate, the gear mechanism will rotate with its jaws closing and open. Cams will help to moving up and down its eyes. Pulleys will help moving up and down its tail. Let's show the demo.